Fascinating facts about cicadas. Cicadas are fascinating insects known for their loud, distinctive songs and unique life cycles. They belong to the superfamily Cicadoidea within the order Hemiptera, making them relatives of leafhoppers and froghoppers. There are over 3,000 described species, with many more yet to be documented. Most cicadas live underground as nymphs for several years before emerging to molt into adults. Periodical cicadas, Magicicada species, spend 13 or 17 years underground before emerging en masse. They have been featured in art, literature, and mythology, symbolizing themes of rebirth and immortality. Whether singing from the treetops or emerging from the soil after years underground, cicadas remind us that nature keeps its own rhythm, patient, powerful, and full of surprises. So next time you hear their chorus, pause and listen. It's the soundtrack of a story millions of years in the making.